Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound after a Windows 11 update. First, check your output device. Sometimes Windows updates change the default audio device automatically. Right-click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Under Output Device, make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Also check that the volume is turned up and not muted. If the problem continues, restart the Windows Audio Services. Click the Windows search bar, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Right-click it and select Restart. If it is disabled, select Start instead. Next, find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click it and select Restart as well. These services control audio playback, and restarting them can often restore sound after an update. If there is still no audio, reinstall the sound driver. Right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Find your audio device, usually called Realtek Audio or High Definition Audio Device. Right-click the device and select Uninstall Device. In the confirmation window, check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device, then click Uninstall. After that, restart your PC. Windows will automatically detect the audio hardware and install a fresh driver during startup. Once your computer restarts, test your speakers or headphones again. Thanks for watching.